Anyway, na history na hilo. Anyway, na kanaway bam gamata paksan hilo. Anyway, na gandong ta paksan. Anyway, na thawde na bam history na hilo. Yung teknoloyo hitak na hilo. Anyway, na tong sikwang game. Anyway, na tong big history na hilo. Kurang hilo.
Let's all continue to give a kind round of applause. Right now, I need to perform to my chief guest, the new guest of honor, the Bangaro with the calling my one who came like you will control. Our guest of honor, Honou, MLA 46 cycle SC, our functional president, Rongmei ISN Star, HSC Hillary Committee Chairman MLA 54 Nova SC area. A very warm welcome to every one of you. Let's once again give a thunderous of
commemorate the 17th Foundation Day of Rongmei Luhphwam Khoupum area. A very warm welcome to respected Chief Guest Srimati S.S. Olis, Honorable MLA 41 Chandel AC, Guest of Honor Srimati Kimnyo Haukip Hangsing, Honorable MLA 46 Cycle AC, Functional President Sri Dinganglung Elias Dipu Gangmai, Honorable MLA Hill Areas Committee, respected village chiefs, Chairman, Village Authority, Charges leaders, civil society organization, distinguished dignitaries, leaders, and well-wishers of the women organization of the Khoupum Dongrian. It is my extreme pleasure moment sharing to all present today in the inaugural function of 17 years of existence since founded by the visionary pioneers of the Khoupum area. In this auspicious 2 days long Foundation Day of Rongmei Luhphwam Khoupum Area 2023, I would like to bow my head with a deep respect and affectionate greeting for your valuable time spent responding our invitation. This is not a mere celebration of the Foundation Day. It's a performing art and culture activities, traditional games, folk song and tale, handloom products and costumes, then and now flourish in a fashion world with a multi-talented feminine diaspora. Indigenous tribal people, diluted from flood like a Western and a major community culture of the mainland India, synthesize and silo a tiny group of people Rongmei tribal today.
To introduce some of our dignitaries who have been with us today. Before I start my introduction, in the first place, I would give my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the Almighty God who has been so good to us, giving us good weather, a bright sunny weather. Our traditional way of showing to the guests, to our community, is presenting a show which is a sign that you have become the part of our community, the part of the Rongmei today. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our token of love. I will ask you to kindly raise from your seat and receive the same token of our love. It is the same that you have been the part of our community. You have been a Rongmei today from the moment you have received the token of our love and appreciation. And in the third, we have Sri Dingangnung Gangmai, IAS retired, Hill Area Chairman, MLA 54, Numba SG, to kindly stand from your seat and receive this token of love and appreciation. And in the fourth, we have P. Gina Hokip Chongloi, the convener of Kuki Women's Union Cycle, to kindly the organizing committee. And with that, I would like to switch into our mother tongue to present to some of the dignitaries being among us. Can I make Atuan Rongmei, Chairman, Khoupum Area Villages Authority Council. Kamaitini, mituang kaipat hai lala lumpudi khang zengwaye. Katum make Mr. Ludwan Thaupo, my Development Chairman, Khoupum Area. Katani Thauding na mituang kaipat hai lala lumpudi khang zengwaye.
Thank you,
Since we are eager to see further the extravagances of our culture, the showcasing our rich heritage of our area, Khoupum Valley, I thank once again, especially to the dignitaries who have been sacrificing your precious time to be among us, to share your love, to share your concern for the people of our Khoupum area, especially for the upliftment and development of the women's welfare of Khoupum Valley. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Rongmei Luhphwam Khoupum.
Thank you.
Kabilu pan may Thonrai Liu Gon Mai Pui from Sobunglong leading the Sobunglong contingent. Mai hai Thonrai Liu Gon Mai Pui ye kamai Sobunglong mai contingent ta chengzai lo pame. Bearing the green flag, Maria Thai Mai leading Lunglai Gangluan 3 contingent. ใจเราบ่แม่ละมาซิลูเรียมไม่ leading ไกจิลง contingent ไกจิลงตรง contingent แต่ลิสุบะไม่ให้ละมาซิลูเรียมไม่Lubang Long contingent Orange flag si Lubang Mitay Pretty Gang Mai Lubang Long contingent ta Lit Subang Mitay Jeng Jai Lubang Mitay Kamayan Bearing the green flag Sin Thui Dai Liu Gang Mai leading Gatao contingent Flag yak mai sin na tao salut ti pakan me kai dai Sin Thui Dai Liu Gang Mai Gatao tuang contingent ta jeng jai lo bom tong he Bearing the yellow flag, Gai Bilu Gang Mai Pui, leading the Satudai contingent. Gai Bilu Gang Mai Pui Rina Satudai Mai Dong contingent ta Jeng Jai Lo Ba Me. Bearing the pink flag, Gai Thui Na Dang Mai KPM Chao Dai Cheng Gai Thui Na Dang Mai Rina KPM Chao Dai Cheng Tong contingent ta Jeng Jai Lo Ba Me Thai Rai Liu Gon Mai leading the Ditanjang contingent. Thai Rai Liu Gon Mai Kamai Rina Ditanjang Mai Dong contingent ta Jeng Jai na Jeng Jai Chui Lo Ba Me.
Rap do ta ta ba.
Matthew Liu Kamai leading the Toling Pung contingent. Matthew Liu Kamai Kamai Rina Toling Pung Mai contingent ta Jeng Jai Chui na Jai Lo Ba Me. Kham Si Liu Pan Pam Mai Nam Than Kham Si Liu Pam Mai Kamai Rina Nam Than Tong contingent ta Jeng Jai Ta Lo Ba Me. Gai Hak Liu Thai Mai leading the Tau Siam Cheng contingent. Gai Hak Liu Thai Mai Kamai Rina Tau Siam Cheng Tong contingent ta Jeng Jai na Ta Lo Ba Me. Machun Rai Liu Phau Mai leading Tengkon Cheng contingent. Machun Rai Liu Phau Mai Kamai Rina Tengkon Cheng Mai Dong contingent ta Jeng Jai Chui na Jai Ta Lo Ba Me.
Thank you.